Quick quiz for all my kitchen pros and foodies out there. What's the one tool that can instantly level up your cooking and save you tons of time when prepping garlic and ginger? Garlic thinking face, most people guess a knife, but that's not the answer. If you're still struggling to chop garlic by hand or hate the sticky mess it leaves behind, then you're missing out on a total game changer. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best garlic presses that are not only built to last, but also make garlic prep fast, effortless, and even kind of fun. From heavy-duty stainless steel crushers to ergonomic designs with built-in cleaners, we've found tools that every home cook needs in their kitchen. Trust me, you'll want to watch till the end to find out which garlic press gives the best performance and value for your money. Let's get into it. Today, we're looking at a powerful and high-quality kitchen tool, the MANNKITCHEN garlic press. This tool is specially designed for anyone who regularly uses garlic in their cooking. It's made from durable stainless steel, which means it's built to last and won't rust over time, even with frequent use. Its heavy-duty, professional-grade construction makes it strong enough to handle constant pressure without bending or breaking, making it ideal for home cooks and professionals alike. One of its standout features is the double lever-assisted mechanism, which gives you extra leverage so you can crush garlic with minimal effort. This is especially helpful for people with weaker grip strength or joint pain. The high-capacity reservoir allows you to crush multiple cloves at once, saving you time in the kitchen. It's also incredibly easy to clean, thanks to its sleek design. Just a quick rinse or scrub and you're done. And since it's rust-free, you don't have to worry about corrosion or long-term damage. If you're looking for a garlic press that's strong, easy to use, and built to last, the MANNKITCHEN garlic press is a must-have addition to your kitchen tools. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that makes prepping garlic and ginger quick and effortless, then the Pampered Chef Garlic Press 2575 is exactly what you need. This high-quality press is designed with an easy squeeze mechanism, so you can crush garlic or ginger with minimal effort. No more struggling or pressing too hard. It's made from rust-proof materials, which means it won't corrode over time, ensuring long-lasting performance in your kitchen. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain and making it easy to use even during long cooking sessions. Not only does it act as a professional garlic mincer, giving you finely chopped garlic instantly, but it also works as a ginger press, so you can prepare both ingredients without any hassle. Plus, it comes with a handy cleaning brush that helps you remove any leftover bits quickly and easily, saving you time and keeping the press spotless. Whether you're a home cook or a kitchen pro, this tool will make your cooking experience smoother and more efficient. If you're tired of struggling with garlic or ginger prep in the kitchen, the Rösle 12895 stainless steel garlic and ginger press might just be your new favorite tool. Designed with both performance and convenience in mind, this press makes mincing effortless, even with unpeeled cloves. Its solid stainless steel construction not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability and long-lasting use. The 13-inch handle gives you extra leverage, so even tougher cloves are easy to crush without applying too much force. One of the standout features is the built-in scraper, which neatly collects every bit of minced garlic or ginger without making a mess. Plus, cleanup is super easy. Just rinse it under water or toss it in the dishwasher. Whether you're a casual home cook or a professional chef, the Rösle garlic and ginger press adds efficiency, cleanliness, and style to your kitchen routine. Say goodbye to messy garlic chopping with the OXO Good Grips heavy-duty garlic press, a must-have tool for every kitchen. Built with a strong die-cast zinc body, this garlic press is designed to handle even the toughest garlic cloves with ease. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the large-capacity garlic chamber allows you to press multiple cloves at once, saving time during meal prep. The soft, non-slip Good Grips handles offer a comfortable and secure grip, even when your hands are wet or oily, making it ideal for everyday use. Whether you're making a quick stir-fry or prepping for a family dinner, this press delivers finely minced garlic with minimal effort. Plus, it has a built-in cleaner that pushes out the leftover skins for easy cleanup. Stylish, functional, and super efficient, the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press is a reliable tool that brings both comfort and power to your kitchen routine. If you're tired of struggling with messy garlic chopping, this stainless steel garlic mincer crusher is the perfect solution for your kitchen. Designed with an ergonomic handle, it fits comfortably in your hand, making garlic crushing effortless and pain-free. Even for those with weaker grips, made from high-quality stainless steel, this garlic press is built to last and resists rust, stains, and corrosion. Its efficient design allows you to mince garlic quickly with just a simple squeeze, saving you time during food prep. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Just rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher. Whether you're cooking up pasta, stir-fries, or marinades, this easy-to-use kitchen gadget is an essential tool that ensures perfectly minced garlic every time. With its sleek look and practical function, it's a great addition to any home and kitchen utensil collection, especially for those who love cooking fresh, flavorful meals. So there you have it, our top 5 best garlic presses that can totally transform the way you prep in the kitchen. Garlic sparkles whether you're a home chef who loves making flavorful meals or someone who just wants to save time and effort. There's a garlic press here that fits your needs and budget. From heavy-duty stainless steel builds to ergonomic designs with easy clean features, each of these tools brings something special to your cooking routine. Now it's your turn. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've already used one of these, share your experience. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the best kitchen gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!